1901, Royal Enfield is the oldest motorcycle you can buy. 1902, Triumph comes in. And 1903, Harley makes a lot of noise. So Enfield is the oldest and they stayed old. When Japanese motorcycle brands, with their innovative technology, shuddered the British brands in 1970, the Royal Enfield didn't really pay attention to it and continued making their same ancient machines, unworried in their own local markets, unchallenged by the international brands. Now the other bikes from Royal Enfield aren't something I really like for how the vibrations feel, the handling, and a few reliability issues with select models. But then came a time when Royal Enfield acquired Harris Performance, who are well known for their tubular frame chases, which really work. Fast forward to a couple of years,
bright lights, they put me in a daze, and I can't stop but think about the way that you move around up and down on that stage as you.
the chases feel amazing. Throttle response is nothing like anything you've seen from Royal Enfield, and the build quality feels like a triumph. And I just can't stop riding.
Stage as your future vibes.
But time for some specs. A lot of you already know the engine, the big aluminium case, is a 648 parallel twin motor producing 47 horsepower at 7250 rpm and 52 Newton meters of torque. That easily lets you cruise at 120 to 130 kilometers per hour and a top speed over 170 kilometers, as it comes with a 6-speed transmission, a first from Royal Enfield. Super smooth and accurate. Of course, the riding position is almost like a classic, but makes you lean forward for that sporty, commanding position. The suspensions, you can see the setup is pretty conventional, but let me tell you, it feels great and inspires confidence while riding. And the hitting you ask? I'll say there's none compared to the older Enfields. A 47 horsepower air-cooled motor seems like a 1960s take. Still, it doesn't feel old. The handlebar, The stiff chases, the tires. The result? An amazing handling bike which will make you forget you're riding a Royal Enfield. Royal Enfield is growing. From building 50,000 bikes annually 10 years ago to building a million now, there's just no stopping. For the price it's offered, I don't know what else is a better buy.